welcome everyone, Snowwood420 here, and I am going to bring you what I just found to be a very quick and easy fix to the axe throwers in Third Age Total War. Now, this is going to fix, and I'll run through each one of them, Third Age 3.2, Third Age 3.2 submodded with MOS, and Third Age 3.2 submodded with Divide and Conquer. This way, all three of them are going to work with axe throwing. So, it's a really quick and easy fix. And I will show you. You're just going to go into your computer, right? Your program files. And bear in mind, this is also for Steam users only, really, because you shouldn't have any of these problems if you're using a disc version of Medieval 2 and Medieval 2 Kingdoms. So you're going to go into your Steam apps, your common, yada yada yada, down here, Medieval Total War, into your mods folder, all right? Now, as you can see here, there's a lot of duplicates of my folders, and this is because the way to install mods on Medieval 2 Kingdoms for Steam users is you would download your mod, right, and install it, and it would install to your Sega folder, right? It dumps itself in here. This is where it wants to go. So you would be finding, say, Third Age 3.2 would pop up here, Stainless Steel would pop up here. Whatever, any of your mods, they want to download to this place due to the disk version of the game. And then you would take this folder after you've installed all of your patches, everything, just dump everything right to here. You would drag this folder over to here, like I have this Third Age 3.2 right now. Then you would rename it to any one of the four availables that you have, and then alter the other file like I did, add an S, add an S, add an S, or add a C. So this way that, it's not being used. So my actual Teutonic right now is Divide and Conquer. Okay, so this is what's being used here. My Americas is MOS mod, right? My Crusades is the DLV mod, although I haven't played that in forever and ever. And the British Isles for me is Stainless Steel. Alright, so that's a quick way to install your mods for Steam users here. This is the one way it works, okay? Anyways, aside from that, you guys probably already know this, and that's fine, and great. Now the big fix here, so I'm going to just use Third Age 3.2 to start with. I'm not playing Third Age 3.2 myself right now. I've just used MOS, and then I used Divide and Conquer. So we'll go into Third Age 3.2. You go into your data folder, and then you scroll down here. Now, if you would look online to say the Total War Center or whatnot, they will have you download some file, right? And it's this file, right here. Where am I at? P's. Sorry, I've gotten lost. What am I looking for? It's the projectiles file, and I cannot find right now. It's right here. DESCR_projectile.txt, okay? This is the file you're going to alter. So this is something that they would have you download, but again, this doesn't always work and it doesn't fix the problem, and this is the reason why. When you download the file and then add it to this folder, it still thinks, because of where it came from, it wants to go to here. It wants to look for this file. Okay? It wants to try and find this, and it's in the wrong folder, right? It's in Sega, okay? You don't need that, though. All you gotta do is open up this, and you're gonna scroll down about a quarter of the way here. Maybe not so much, but you want to find this spot right here, axes, all right? Then you'll see this line of code right here. And as you can see, mine's already been adjusted because I used to play it on a Teutonic campaign. This would say Third Age 3.2. Instead, change this to whatever folder you're using. Whether it's Americas, British Isle, Teutonic, right? Doesn't matter. Just change it to the one that you're using and save it, and you're done. Your axes will now work just fine in Third Age 3.2. Quick and easy fix, right? No problem. Simple. You just alter one word and you're done. Save it and close it, and away you go. Your gaming is completed. No more crashing for stupid axe throwing, right? Now, the same fix basically will do the rest of them, but you have to tweak it just slightly. So let's go to MOS now. I'll open up Americas because this is where I have MOS mod installed. And we'll go to our data, the exact same thing. All right, we're going to scroll down here. and you're going to look again for your DESCR projectile right here, text, and it's about the exact same location, about a quarter of the way down. You have axes, okay? Now, the line of code, they've added a couple two lines of code here. This doesn't exist in 3.2. What exactly it's doing, don't worry about it, but it must be there. What you're noticing right now, though, on yours is that this part does not exist. This first part of code, it's highlighted right now. Yours will just say data, models, missiles, Francisca High, CAS 40. And this same thing for this one. This won't exist. Okay, this will be blank. It'll just say data, models, missiles, Francisca High, CAS Max. Okay, so the same thing. Change this part right here, because this is going to be normal. This whole line will exist as normal. You want to change it to the right folder. So I'm using Americas. I change it to Americas. And now, the problem then you could probably figure out really quickly here by seeing this is that, again, it's looking for the data, models, missiles folder in your Sega folder. Okay? This is a mistake. And of course, there was no way, or maybe there was a way, but the modders didn't do it, for them to recognize that they were looking for the model in the wrong place. Now you just come in here and copy this part right here, copy that, and paste it right before your data. And again, paste it right before your data right here. Now it'll look like this. Save it. And now your axe throwers work in MOS mod. Now I just did a whole dwarven campaign and totally wish that I had figured this out. I just figured this out. The date is 5/3 right now, 2014. I don't know why. It just dawned on me. I looked at it and was going, huh, no wonder. It's looking for it in, like I just explained, it's looking for it in data models right here. This is the one it's looking for, right there. You don't want it to find that one. That's the wrong one. What you want it to do is find it in the actual MOS mod that you've installed, right? So do this, and it's fixed. It works. You're done. Okay, that's all you gotta do is save the file. And then go to your, say you're using Divide and Conquer now, all right? You're gonna, mine's installed on this one, okay? So they go into your data, and you're gonna scroll, because it's right here. This is the models, it's right here, you know? There is a folder and a file that is in the right place, but it's looking for the wrong one. So you're gonna do the exact same thing. You just come down here, find your all right, I just pass it up again. Find your projectile text, open this one up, you know, you scroll on down about a quarter of the way, find your axes, and mimic the exact same design. Change this one first to the correct folder that you're using, then again, copy this part right here, mods, /Teutonic /, and paste it right in before the data that's there, just so it looks exactly like this. Save the file, close it, and you are done. That's it. You don't have to download anything. You don't need help from anybody. You are the master of your own PC. You just had to type in a couple few letters, and boom, your axe throwers work. It's now finding the file in the right location because it already exists here. It's just looking for the wrong spot. There it is. Now you're done. You close it all up, and you are playing Third Age Total War with axe throwers. You're playing Third Age Submod MOS with axe throwers. You're playing Third Age Divide and Conquer with axe throwers. Amazing. A quick fix. I hope you guys are able to apply this fix so you can enjoy the axe throwing. No more crashing. Have at it. I'm Snowhood420, finding those rare and obscure fixes for games. And if you need help installing them or anything of the sort, please ask. I've done quite a few responses to people that are full length and gotten great response. They were able to fix their campaigns, fix their games, make stainless steel work, make everything work. I know it's difficult for Steam, and the modders just don't think about this for some reason, or just, I don't know, maybe it's too hard, or maybe you can't do it. I'm not really sure. I don't mod. But what I can do is troubleshoot, and I can try and fix what wasn't working beforehand, and it's done. So thank you all for watching this quick fix to axe throwing, and enjoy your campaigns.